In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to post to Facebook using Make.com. We're going to build a simple automation that publishes directly to your Facebook page from Make.com. This is perfect for testing ideas, posting updates from other tools, or just getting familiar with how modules work inside a Make scenario. I'll walk you through each action clearly so you know exactly what to click and why it matters. Start by opening Make.com. From the dashboard, create a new scenario. That opens a blank canvas where you'll assemble your workflow. Think of a scenario as a flowchart. You add modules that represent apps or actions, and Make runs them in order. Next, add your first module by clicking the plus button on the canvas. In the search field, type Facebook Pages. You'll see the Facebook Pages app appear. Select it so we can choose the specific action we want. From the list of available actions, pick Create a Post. This tells Make that the goal of this scenario is to publish content to your Facebook page. There are other Facebook actions available, but Create a Post is the one designed for sending a new message to your audience. Now connect your Facebook account. If you've already connected it before, just choose your existing connection. If this is your first time, click Add, give the connection a clear name you'll recognize later, and click Save. A Facebook window will open. Sign in and grant the requested permissions. Make sure you allow access to the pages you intend to post to, and confirm your Facebook role has permission to publish. If a pop-up doesn't appear, check your browser's pop-up settings. Once connected, select the Facebook page you want to publish to from the dropdown. Double-check you're choosing the correct page, especially if you manage more than one. Enter the content for your post. You can type a message directly in the field, or map text from another module if you're building a larger workflow. Keep your message clear and concise, and feel free to include emojis or a link. Avoid sensitive personal information, and make sure the content follows Facebook's community guidelines. When you're ready, run a quick test. Click Run once and Make will execute the module. If everything is set up correctly, your post should appear on your Facebook page almost immediately. If it doesn't, review the permissions and the selected page, then try again. Finally, click Save to store your scenario so you can reuse it or expand it later. That's it. Your Facebook posting workflow is now live and ready for action. Thanks for watching.